Okay, in the previous video, we looked at sigmoid growth curve, but now in this video, we are going to look at the intermittent growth curve of animals with exoskeleton. So we are referring to those insects, such as grasshoppers that have an exoskeleton. Remember in videos, the previous ones that we have talked about these grasshopper having incomplete metamorphosis, and also we mentioned ecdysis. Okay, so here we're going to look at the graph. So exoskeleton does not grow proportionately with the growth of the insect. Tidak berkadar terus dengan pertumbuhan serangga itu. So to allow growth and development, animals with exoskeleton, they must shed their hard exterior. They must shed their hard exterior ataupun kita panggil bersalin kulit. Ini proses molting process. Molting process of the exoskeleton allows growth and development of insects. We call it as ecdysis. Proses seolah-olah bersalin kulit lah. Okay, and this process is controlled by hormones. Okay, you can see this is the how does this graph looks like, the intermittent growth curve of animals with exoskeletons. So this is y-axis, which is the body length against the time, day, in day. So kita ada istilah insta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then eventually adult in adult phase. Okay, also we have ecdysis. Okay, ada dia punya garis menegak itu. So let's look into the explanation. Okay, the process of ecdysis happens periodically. Okay, secara berperingkat. Okay, there's certain periods of this ecdysis. Perhatikan dia tidak bersambung, but then there's intermittent lah. So we say the polar growth is not continuous and is intermittent. Okay, the horizontal part of the graph indicates zero growth. Okay, so this is horizontal part. Horizontal part where the growth is zero, tidak ada pertumbuhan, and at this stage we call it as the insta, where the insects is not increasing in length. Okay, so vertical lines yang garisan menegak itu represent the rapid growth. Rapid growth, tumbuh dengan cepat. So at this stage, the nymph, still remember the nymph? The nymph, that means the young insects undergoes ecdysis. Okay, and that the size increases rapidly. Yang menegak itu bermaksud dia punya size itu adalah bertambah dengan cepat. Okay, yang melintang itu, there's no growth, remember that. Okay, zero growth. So ecdysis occurs multiple times. You can see here a few ecdysis right here. Okay, until the insects reaches adulthood. Okay, bergantung kepada jenis serangga tersebut. Okay, so how does ecdysis happen? So there must be a new skeleton, exoskeleton, which is formed underneath the old skeleton. Okay, new skeleton forms underneath old skeleton. So before new skeleton hardens, before the new one hardens, the insect will have to increase its volume by sucking air to expand the body. So this action is going to break the old exoskeleton which is outside, and that the insect with the new exoskeleton will emerge. Okay, and that the insect will expand its body one more time before, okay, I'll highlight this one more time before the new exoskeleton hardens. Okay, it's by the process of sucking in air and then expanding the body. Okay, so these are the steps, or these are the explanations on how ecdysis happen, proses bersalin kulit ini. Okay, so the stages between ecdysis. Okay, kita sudah lihat tadi, in between ecdysis, the stages are called insta, where the insect, at this stage, the insect is known as nymph, the young insect. During insta, okay, during insta just now we say zero growth. That means the insect not increasing in size, in length. Okay, so what happened is that at this stage, insta stage, the insects, they are now actively building tissues and increasing their body volume. Okay, so we have come to the end of the chapter, and this is the summary to show the entire chapter. We've begin with the reproductive system of the humans. We talk about the menstrual cycle, gametogenesis, formation of twins, development of the human fetus, health issues related to the reproductive system and that's importancy with the causes and also the treatment. And the last one is on the growth in humans and animals.